So we'll take a little break from the fuel tank for a minute or so, and it's interesting because here in the 20th season of Truck U, we got a lot of memories, and we've been working with a lot of companies for a long time, one of which is WeatherTech, and it's been pretty impressive when you look at like the longevity of this show and the growth of that company, right? I'm not saying they were mutually exclusive, but we helped them out.
Yes,
and you've been there and you've seen it.
Yeah, so it went from the first time I went out there we were shooting something, I think they had like 2 buildings. Now it's like a college campus. I think there's like 10 massive structures and buildings. There's a helipad. Anything you can imagine is inside there, full photo studio.
Yeah.
I mean, you name it, it's there. And the best part about it is everything you can see, every product that goes out the door is made right there. They've got the moldings, the fixtures, everything in-house, from the CNC equipment to the people who run it, to the people who program it, and the people who put it in a box to send it to you.
I remember when we were doing the comfort mats. I think it was right over there. So we're setting up for the cameras and the lights and everything, and we kept walking on them, and our shoes were all dirty. So it's like, you walk on it, you're like, this is nice. And everybody's like, well, you got them dirty again. And we did that like 5 or 6 times before we shot the piece. I don't know why I remember that. It's just, that's the goofy kind of fun things that I remember about working with WeatherTech specifically.